Hello, good evening from Hyderabad. This is my other bike, the new one which I bought, the Speed 400 from Triumph. Today I'm gonna check a lot of things which are first, like the GoPro setup. Is first time I'm doing a moto vlog on this bike. And the second thing is the GoPro setup has a wireless mic setup. Till now I used to use a wired mic. So let's see how this works. If this works perfectly, then the future videos will have this same setup. The noise cancellation can make the audio a bit artificial, because the background noise will be completely gone. And this bike is like next level, yeah. The weight, the compactness, the power, and the flickability, the throttle, the brakes, everything is like spot on for this price. I coming from a bigger bike, like I used to own a KTM ADV 390, which was the same segment as this. From there I went to 1250, and now if I compare my ADV 390 with this is more fun. I know that this seating position is not the most comfortable, but I think I can do 500 to 600 kilometers easily on this bike in a day without even getting used to it. Duke 390 is a lot compact and more like you say, I have to fold my knees a lot on that bike. And being a 17-inch wheel on the front, this makes a bike a lot flickable, as well as I can lean in the corner a lot. This is the store. I have cleaned my chain and lubed it. This was long pending.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. Sunday early morning, and we are heading for a breakfast ride after a long time. It's been so long. And this time we are taking our Chotu. So this is the Speed 400, which I bought 3.5-4 months ago, and I've already clocked more than 3,000 kilometers on this in city. So I thought like let's take this on highway. Actually, the main reason to take this bike is I actually took out the 1250. Then I got a warning. So it's regarding the TPMS. Then I thought like there could be a puncture. Yesterday itself I've inflated the tire. Don't know what happened.
ఇది అయ్యింది ఓల్వో బస్ సైడ్ మిర్రర్లు ఉంటాయి కదా అవి.
అచ్చా గాగుల్సా? ఇంకేం వామ్మో,
దీన్ని ఏమంటారు తెలుసా?
చెప్పి
ఓల్వో బస్ సైడ్ మిర్రర్లు. ఓల్వో
अरे लटक रहा जी, लटक रहा, साइड को हॉर्न लटक रहा. अरे गिर गया. Oh no. या. ऐसे कैसे पलटा जी? तेरे सामने ही पलटा? स्टैंड स्प्रिंग
స్వింగ్
One eternity later.
So it's another day and we are heading to BMW service center to fix my rear tire. Actually there's a ride planned in next 2 days and my rear tire is not in good condition. I can go on that tire, but the problem is it has got 2 punctures and 1 major puncture, due to which I have to constantly refill the air every 3 to 4 days. So I don't want to take that risk. If that puncture like expands, then I won't be having the tire with me in the ride. So I have ordered a tire. We have to go to BMW service center and fix it. So with these big bikes, this is the major thing. Most of the money goes towards service and the parts, not on the ride. Ride would be hardly 30% more expensive than the 400cc bikes. If you only consider fuel, then these bikes like tend to give around 20 mileage, and the 300cc bikes gives around 27 to 30. So you can say 1/3. Trip expenses is not of a big difference. The biggest difference is in the service. So especially the tires. The tires are one of the most expensive thing on a super bike. So every 15 to 20,000 kilometers you have to change your tires. That is how much they last on adventure bikes. Super bikes, it will last lesser than 10,000 kilometers. And the tire costs around 40k for both front and rear. So you have to expect at least 2.5 to 3 rupees only for tires every kilometer. So as of now I have only ordered the rear tire because the front tire has no punctures. It has almost more than 50% life left. So I thought like let's change only the rear. In next 2 days we will be starting for a long ride. That is why I am changing the rear tire. So I don't want any disturbance in the ride, so better to change it. So the ride would be of around minimum 5 days and maximum 9 days, depending on the situation. After going to the first destination, we'll see the situation and then head to the next destination. So it's almost New Year time. It's December last but 1 week. We are almost end of 2025. I planned of going to IBW, but I cancelled because it's happening in Panchakani. I was like, let's skip this year also. So this ride we'll be heading towards Vizag. So till Vizag I have not been on motorcycle till now. I went in car. So we'll be going to Vizag and then cross Vizag and head more towards east. That is the plan. Done with tire installation. The life of tire is almost 50 to 60%, not more than that. That is what service guys told. And I have even compared it with the new GSA 1300 GSA, which has the same tires, and I think it is hardly 50 to 60%. So okay, you will get half tire in half the price. I would have gone for a brand new tire, set of brand new tires, but the only thing is the front tire. I'll show you the front tire. The front tire is almost half life left. So I thought like instead of wasting the front tire, just get the pre-owned tires, rear tire. Let's go. We have to go through this traffic.